Have you ever heard the tale of Arachne, the mortal weaver who dared to challenge a goddess? Arachne was no ordinary woman. She possessed unparalleled skill in weaving, so exquisite that whispers of her talent reached the heavens. Her tapestries were said to rival even those created by Athena, the goddess of wisdom and craft. But pride can be a treacherous companion. Arachne boasted that her skill surpassed Athena's, which ignited the goddess's wrath. Determined to teach the mortal a lesson, Athena disguised herself as an old woman and warned Arachne to respect the gods. But Arachne, fueled by hubris, dismissed the warning and insisted on a weaving contest. The two began to weave, and while Arachne's tapestry depicted the flaws of the gods, Athena's artwork showcased their glory. In the end, Arachne's work was flawless, but her arrogance was her undoing. Enraged, Athena revealed her true form and struck Arachne. In a moment of despair, Arachne hanged herself. Yet Athena, in a bittersweet act, transformed her into a spider, allowing her to weave eternally. Thus, Arachne became a symbol of both artistic brilliance and the perils of pride.